Welcome back to Shape of the City. I'm your host, Tut Kailech, and I'm here at the Malone that has been very influential in my youth development and growth. And today I am here joined with Christiana and Victoria of the Malone. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
First off, thank you guys for being here. I would like to open up the floor so you guys can introduce yourselves and kind of the position that you're doing here at the Malone.
I'm Christiana Vermeline, and I am the Director of Community Health and Outreach here.
I'm Victoria, and I am the Community Health Advocate within the Malone.
So the Malone is very active. Malone is growing. So I think it's very beneficial. People drive here all the time. People drive by. But I think it's been very beneficial that people know what the Malone is. Can you kind of just give a brief summary on what Malone is, and then later on we'll go into the programs that you guys offer?
So Malone is obviously just a big part of our community. We look to make impactful experiences with our youth, our families, anybody that we can really get our hands on, and move towards eliminating that multi-generational poverty and creating unity and prosperity in Lincoln while honoring our African American heritage. We do that by working with our youth, our families, our adults, our mothers who are breastfeeding. We have a preschool and all those things too. We have our community health program, which is our wellness programs. And so right now we are working on the Minority Health Initiative, where we are tackling 3 big topics, which are mental health, access to health care, and chronic disease. So those were some things that came up on our community conversations and our surveys that were pretty big concern, and some things that we wanted to address. So that's what we're working on in our community health. And then we are working on advanced health literacy, so just pushing out some information and giving our community trusted sites and information that they can fall back on.
Okay, perfect. So I know one of the big programs here, especially being a community builder here in Lincoln, there is a program here, the Maternal Wellness Program. Could you speak a little bit about it and like some of the aspects of the program, who you help, and how people can get into the program?
So yes, Maternal Wellness is one of our big programs. We have an excellent team both here and in Lincoln. So we have breastfeeding specialists that work with our mothers to just get them through breastfeeding process, be any way support that they can. Whether it's 2 a.m., 3 a.m., our staff are on call. They're phenomenal. We've got doulas that come. They're both in Omaha and Lincoln as well. They work with the family in any capacity that they can. House calls, again, whatever they need. We have a doula scholarship program. It's pretty phenomenal. It's pretty big. We work with BIPOC individuals, women, families, whoever needs the help, basically. And Jillian Bolts is our director of that. Our information on our website, maloncenter.org. You can find it there. The paperwork, register for all those things are on there too. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for sharing that. And also, Victoria, you joined the team pretty recently. What were some of the things that brought you into the Malone and wanted to work with this great organization?
Yeah, growing up, the Malone Center was definitely a big part of my life, attending Juneteenth events, other different events as I was growing up. So that was really a primary reason I joined. And then I know that, even since then, past my childhood, the Malone Center has held been a major staple in the neighborhood and in the community. So I want to be a part of something bigger than myself.
That's beautiful. Okay, another thing is you guys offer other programs such as athletics, which is definitely something I was involved with when I was younger. Could you kind of speak about the athletic program and what you guys are planning to do?
We do have a phenomenal athletics department that is just booming as well. Michael Hunter is the director of that. We've got football, Panthers, the Malone Panthers. Go Panthers, go Panthers. So we've got football, we've got basketball, track and volleyball now. So, and they're just we're looking just to continue to boom that and give our youth these opportunities and be introduced to sports, the outlet, all those avenues that it can lead you to. So, yeah.
Yeah, I was just going to add on this. The sports program is definitely growing. I think volleyball has been the newest. Track has been quite new as well. I think we've talked before about maybe adding soccer down the line as well. So definitely growing, gets kids involved, and I think it just keeps the youth really engaged within the program as well. So.
Okay. Well, thank you guys. With all the services that you guys provide, where can people find you guys, especially on social media? And how can they get involved if they want to volunteer or anything like that?
So our website is maloncenter.org. We have our Facebook page as well as our Instagram page, which is Malone Center LNK. We post a lot there, so that's where most of it is. As far as getting involved, contact, reaching out, all of our emails and contact numbers are on our website as well.
All right, I know the summer is really busy for the Malone. So kind of touch on some of the activities and events that you guys have going on.
So May is National Mental Health Month. So we are working in partnership with the Wellbeing Initiative to hold a mental health recovery event on the 21st. And then June, of course, is the big celebration, which is Juneteenth. Last year was the first year it was recognized as a national holiday, so it was our biggest turnout. And this year we're looking for the same, if not bigger and better. Same idea, local performers, entertainment, food, fun for the kids, and then we have about 45 local organizations that will be there, have booths and stuff too to just open themselves up to the community.
All right, what other programs, activities that you guys have coming up that we should be aware of?
Yes, so we have our CLC program, which is in Color Middle School. We have an Early Achievers program as well. And then we also have our Young Men and Women Leadership Academy that teaches on the principles of entrepreneurship.
Yeah, and our Early Achievers Academy is actually in partnership with the university with their Ruth Staples programs, which is a nationally recognized program. And so our Early Achievers is a collaborative effort there. So we've got our lead teachers from there and then 2 of our other teachers too. So yeah, great program.
So I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to come and tell people about the Malone and what you guys offer and services. So thank you guys for your time.
Thank you so much, for having us and letting us be a part of this. We appreciate it.
And so if you would like to find out more about the Malone and get involved, check out their social media links. It'll be linked below. Thank you guys for checking in for Shape of the City Lincoln. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.